look at you?
You can look at the camera,
Okay.
definitely. Yeah, the camera. Okay. Hi, this is Ashley from Builders Care. I'm here today with Willie Mae Young, and we're in her home at 1468 Logan Street. How are you doing today?
Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
All right, so how long have you lived in the house?
I have lived at this residence for 15 years.
Okay. How has the neighborhood changed?
Well, since I was growing up in this neighborhood, because of a lot of different people's health are depreciating, then they cannot maintain their homes as well as they used to. And also, we have a lot of different neighbors in the neighborhood, and they're not as interested in keeping the neighborhood clean as we, the older neighbors, have been. So
how has this affected you?
it kind of made me a little, I guess, kind of upset. A lot of trash and abandoned lots. You see a lot of homes that need a lot of repairs. So it's kind of like a gloomy feeling to have when you see the different homes and you remember how the homes used to look versus how they look now. You can see the difference.
Yeah.
And it's because a lot of people are elderly people now, and they may not have the funds to maintain the upkeep of their homes.
So how do you think this project is going to affect Newtown and affect you?
I think it's a great project because for those who can't afford to maintain their home, they have an opportunity to have repairs done to their homes, to make their home, to beautify their homes, and it's just a good feeling to see that you have people that can help you make a difference, and you make your home look wonderful if you can't afford it. So it's such a great project, and I'm so thankful that you're here to help everyone, and it's just a wonderful thing, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.
We're happy that you let us in your home and you're letting us be here today. Do you have anything else you want to add?
No, I just want to thank everyone for helping, and it's just so wonderful to see that people really still care about people and want to see a difference and want to beautify Newtown. It's just a wonderful thing to see, and I'm so grateful and thank everyone. Thank you.
Well, thank you for sitting here and talking with us today.
Mm-hmm.
This is Ashley from Builders Care.